away, my country people. It don't happen again. It don't bust. No be small thing, no be small saga. Matter don't read, my people. Make una carry una joko. Taste it and come listen to this one. Wonder shall never end. No be small thing, my people. I know say most of una know this man of God, popular pastor, be popular prophet Ikuru. No be small thing, no. He don't drag popular daddy Gio Paul Enenche come at my people. No be small thing, no. He say make Paul Enenche may stop waiting they do between obedient movement. Make Paul Enenche may stop her. Make people not they go church again. Go they do their campaign for church. My people not be small matter. Now this man of God talk. He said this message say it goes to Paul Enenche, my people. Not be small matter, my people. They say wahala too much for this Naija. God, they go they talk how Naija go take better. Some group of people go still come out. They talk say na so it go be. I don't know who suffer the street for this country. I not can understand. Now he make us some of all these pastors, they be problem when contribute for this country. Now they be the problem. They contribute wahala when they this country. So my people not be smart, May not come be say I too talk for inside this video. Make una watch where this man of God for the drag Paul Enenche come at my people. Not be smart thing. They say wahala no dey finish. Make una regade.
Thing that my attention was drawn to in Paul Enenche church, that should not continue again, because no flag bearer should be invited to any church activity for now. My attention was drawn to Lord's choosing some time ago, and my attention was drawn to a lot of men of God in this country who promote a particular flag bearer for presidency. Now let me tell you something. Pastors are to pray, but they are not to take interests of political things into themselves. This is why pastors are to act with wisdom, because you are a father to all the people who are coming out to say they want to be a president of Nigeria. So you are to pray. So I am warning all the churches in the nation. I, Prophet Godwin, putting up a warning to every church who are promoting a particular flag bearer for presidency in this nation, because you are looking for war. Paul Enenche, stop that habit. What's this man that owned the Lord's shoes? Stop that habit. Every other pastor's promoting a particular flag bearer. Stop that habit. You are about to promote war into the country. You are bringing war into the country, and when it happens, you will not be able to stand it. Please don't say I did not warn you. Don't say I did not warn you. Don't say I do not warn you. Don't say I do not warn you. Don't say I did not warn you. God bless you. I am a prophet, God Ikuru.